Hello everyone. Good evening. Today I want to teach you one of the grammar tanks. One of the tanks. So the tank is past plus present. So what tense is it? So today I'm going to teach you that tanks to you. So before I teach you, I want to play one of the activities with you. So I want to share my slides first. Okay, so everyone, do you see my slides well? Okay, great. So here you can see it. So have you played this game before? Okay, so the name of this activities is called Two Truth, One Lie. So the name of this activity is Two Truth and One Lie. So here you can see there are three sentences are there. So the first one is I have climbed a mountains. So it's based on my experience. I wrote the three sentences. Which ones are true and which one is lie. So you have to guess it. So next one is I have met a famous singer. And the last one is I haven't eaten dinner yet. Okay, which ones are true and which one is lie? So I give 1 minute to think of the answer. Is it enough for you? Okay, so you can start now. So if I got the answer, please type the answer by using Zoom chat. Okay, great. So this time, please type your answer now. Okay, so you think I have climbed a mountain? Is it lying for me? Okay, what about the other? What's your answer? I haven't eaten dinner yet. Do you think it? Okay, what about other? I have met a famous singer. Oh, you can also guess all of these sentences. Okay, so please type your answer now, everyone. Okay, great. So this time, let's check the answer. Who can be a guesser? So who can guess the correct one? So let's check it. Oh, da-da-da. Okay, so the line is I have met a famous singer. So I haven't met a famous singer. So I have climbed a mountain. So last year I climbed Mount Boba. So I have experienced that one. So I haven't eaten dinner yet. So this is also true because I'm on diet. So I haven't eaten dinner. So the line is I have met a famous singer. Who guess well? Who is the winner? Yeah, you are the winner. You can guess well. Okay, so here in this one, so use present perfect tense to show my experience. So today you're gonna learn this tense today. Okay, so here, so present perfect tense. So this is the timeline. So this is one of only tense. So, it's called past and present. For the present perfect tense, the action started in the past, but it's still connected in the present. So at that time, we have to use present perfect tense. So you can see timeline, the action started in the past, but it's still connected in the present. So we want to use present perfect tense to show the past experience and result. So at that time, use the present perfect tense. So I want to explain more. This time you will be a little bit confused. So the action start in the past, but it's still connected in the present. So what is it? So what situation is it? You will be a little confused. Don't worry about it. I explained you more, and at the end of the lesson, you will be clear. So here you can see the pictures here. So yes, I have visited Paris many times. So here you can see the Paris Tower. So here he or she visited the Paris Tower in 2003. So this is the first time, 2008, second time, 2010, 2014, and still now. So here, so you can see now here. So now he just telling about his or her experience. So he visited Paris in 2003, 2008, 2010, 2014. So at that time, we want to share our experience and also share our result. So at the time we have to use present perfect tense. So you can see that yes, I have visited Paris many times. So here, in this one, we do not mention specific date. We do not need to mention specific date when we use the present perfect tense. Okay, next one is, so this is more A7, Isabel. So I haven't seen that movie. So he want to mention, so he don't know the movie, that movie, what characters are they, and what is the story of this movie. He or she didn't know it. So I haven't seen that movie. The action started in the past, but it's still connected. So in the past, he didn't watch that movie. That's why. Present, in the present, the recipe, he don't know what is it. Okay, so that's time we have to use present perfect tense. Next one is Saki has climbed Mount Fuji twice. So he noted, he noted, and he has the experience to climb Mount Fuji. So how many times? Twice. So here Saki is, and is a girl. So she didn't. She noted to climb Mount Fuji, and she has the experience. But she do not mention the specific date. So here, Jack hasn't eaten curry before. So Jack hasn't eaten curry before. So the action started in the past. So in the past, he didn't eat the curry. So he don't know. In the present, he doesn't know what taste is it. At the time, we can use the present perfect tense. Jack hasn't eaten curry before. Okay. Any questions for state? Any questions? Any questions for you now? So far, so good. Okay, I want to move to next one. Okay, in this one, you have to land, gone, and been. So, gone is past participle for go. Been is past participle for be. So you can see the explanation here. Be and go are both used in the present perfect to talk about going somewhere, but there are different meanings. Be and go. So most of the learner make mistakes. So here today I will be explain to you. So after the lesson you will be more clear it. So I haven't seen John recently. Where is she? So here the answer is she's gone to Florida. So it's used gone. You can see it gone. She's gone to Florida. In this one, she apostrophe s want to say she has gone to Florida. So, gone means is a person, who, oh, sorry, a person who goes somewhere and he or she stayed there. So he or she didn't come back to the original place. At the time, we can use gone. So you can see the picture here is more clear. So visit to somewhere and stay there. So didn't come back to the original place. At the time, we can use gone. So next one is, hi, Johnny. You're looking well. Yes, I've been to Florida. So, John went to Florida and she went to Florida and she's come back to her home again here. So you can see the pictures here very clear. Picture is very clear. So, you want somewhere, you are stay there. At the time, you can use gone. So you want somewhere and you come back to your original place. At that time, you can use been. So these are the differences between using gone and been. So they have the same meanings. So they are we when we go somewhere, so we can use gone and been. But that person is stay there at that place, we can use gone. So come back to the original place, we have to use been. So very clear. Okay. So here, this is the more example for you. So you will be more clear by looking at this example. So where's been? He's gone to the mall. He's gone to the mall. So he stayed there. So he didn't come back to his home or to his original place. So next one is you look relaxed. Yes, we've been in Bermuda. We had a great time. So they went to Bermuda and they come back to the original place. Next one is where's Ariana? She's gone with Safari, so she stayed there. So she didn't come back to her home. So your hairs look great. Thanks. I've just been to the hair salon. So she went to the hair salons and she come back. So where are Julie and Jack? They've gone to see a play. They've gone to see the play. So they stay there. They didn't come back. So where have you been? We've been to visit John in the hospital. She's not very well. So they went to hospital and they come back. They came back. So other situations, we have to use gone and been. A person went to some places, so he or she stay there. So at the time, which one do we have to use? Great, gone. So a person went that place and come back to the original place. Which one do we have to use? Been. Great. Okay, now you clear? Okay, so this time let's learn the regular verb and irregular verb. So for the regular verb, so you have to add ed to base form. So here you can see ask, ask. So at the end of the word, you just only have to use ed. So So it's very clear. So it's very easy to change base form to past participle. Next one is irregular verb. So the word is totally changed when we change past participle. So for example, be is the verb form. So when we change to past participle, so the word is totally changed. Be verb three past participle of be is been. Here you can see the been. Okay, great. Okay, this time, I call to use, and you have to change the regular. You have to change to the past participle. Okay, so ta-ta. So please change this word call to past participle. Called. Great. Okay, let me choose one friend. Okay, Lila, Dali, please change help. Helped. Great. Okay, so next students. Okay, great. Needed. Okay, tatam. Played. Great. So next one. Talked. Okay. So me walked. Great. Tamili wended. Okay. Okay, Tamili watched. Okay, Tamili walked. Okay, great, excellent. This time, let's change to irregular verb. Okay, let's start with some buy, bought. Great. Okay, Emily, come. Is it came? Come. Came is past, and what is the past participle? Great, come. Okay, so Lily, then. Okay, so Sumya, had, great. Okay, Gang Gang. Given, great. Okay, next one. Gone, very good. Okay, Susu. Made, excellent. Okay, next one, baby. Said. Okay, the last one. Okay, Alice. Sing, great. So here, so for the irregular verb, so you have to memorize them. So when you see base form, so you have to change the past participle. So the word are totally changed. So if you don't remember, if you don't memorize this word, so you can change to base form to past participle. Okay, so you have to memorize for irregular verb. Okay, so this time, so the Darabimino, please look at this one. In this sentence, so what is the form of past participle? Here, what is it? I is what is it? Great. Subject. I is I, we, you, they, he, she, it, sometimes my family and I, Mia Mia and Mama. So these are also subject. And then next one is you can see what is it? What do you see? Haven't. Okay, is it positive or negative? Negative. So if we want to change, if we want to make the negative sound off, you have to use haven't and hasn't. So these are negative. So what about the positive one? Great. Have or has. So here have or has, and so it depends on the subject. Subject is singular. Which one you have to use? Have or has? Subject is singular. Great, has. Subject is plural. Great, have. So what about I? I is singular or plural? Singular, but you have to use have. Excellent. So here, subject, have, has, plus, and then, yeah, verb 3. So another way we can say past participle and plus, so the rest of the sentence. So you have to continuous here. Subject plus the form is a little bit big. Yeah. Okay, subject plus have, has plus past participle plus the rest of the students. Sorry, the rest of the sentence. Okay, baby. Here, let's check it. So here, I have or has plus. So a right is past participle and rest of sentence. Great. Okay, so you know the form of the past, present perfect tense. So here, then you can see note for present perfect tense. It number one is that action happened in the past and talking about right now. So this is one of the tense. So the action started in the past and but is still connected in the present. Past plus present. So past plus present, the situations we have to use present perfect tense. And then next one is no specific time. We do not need to mention a specific time like yesterday, last year. So we do not need to mention specific time. So next one is gone. So that person is stay there, we have to use gone. That person come back to the original place, we have to use been. Okay, easy. Okay, this time let's play game. Uh, okay, I will send the link in the Zoom chat and you may join. Everyone, can you join uh our game link? Okay, now you may answer it. They aren't at home, they blank. So can you give them this envelope assure? Okay, what's your answer? Okay, let's move to next one. Okay, please type your answer here. Everyone, please please tell me. So is it correct? Okay, so next one. Blank you home or jet. Which one, baby? Okay, red or blue or yellow or green? Green. Okay, so what about next one, everyone? The boy. Blue. Oops, the answer is oops. Okay, so in this one, everyone here, you can see the also yesterday. So it's mentioned the specific time. That's why we cannot use present perfect tense. So here, so what is the answer? Mm-hmm. You think red? Okay, great. Okay, next one. Okay, let's type out the answer. Please tell me. Has made. Okay, great. Okay, next one. Please choose the color very quickly. Okay, you think this one? Great. Okay, everyone, Nessie is which one? Okay, blue. Oh, the correct one is here. Okay, everyone, let's look at it. The correct one is has polished. So cursor here, Nancy has polished the floor. So the actions started in the past and is still happening, still connected in the present. Cursor, Nancy polished the floors recently. So the floor is wet. So be careful. It is sleeping at the moment. At the moment is mentioned the present. Okay, here the couple. Mm-hmm. Okay, blue. Okay. So next one. So it's yes or no? True or false? False. Okay, let's look at it, everyone. Why are you breathing heavily? So I was cleaning the attic for hours. So in this one, which ones you have to use? So yes, so you're correct. I have cleaned. You have to use present perfect tense. The action started in the past is still connected in the present. That's why. So he or she can't breathe very well. Mm-hmm. So it's false. Okay, what about this one? So is it how long or how much or four or six? Okay, you think yellow? Great. Okay, next one. Mm-hmm. Already? Oh, up to now. So yeah, it's okay. You haven't learned this one yet. Okay, next lesson, you're gonna learn it. Okay, so what about this one? Jane. Mm-hmm. Okay. So you think red? Great, correct. Okay, the last one. Mm-hmm. Okay, blue. Great. Okay, very good. Oh, the last one. This is the last one. Mm-hmm. So this one, green. Great. Excellent. Okay. Oh, very good. Mm-hmm. 15 out of 11. Great, baby. Okay, so this time let's move to our lessons. So in this one, so I want to give a test to use. So here, so you have to make the interview each other. So this is the example sentence for you. So have you ever gone camping? Have you ever tried spicy food? Have you ever spoken to a foreigner? So here, I want to give an example to you. Lily, do you want to be a volunteer? Okay, so this time I asked you. I am an interviewer and you are interviewee. I ask the questions to you and you have to give me the answer. So when I ask you the questions, do not give yes, no. So not like this. You have to extend the question, extend the answer. Okay, so for example, have you gone camping? Here. So I want to choose this one. Have you ever spoken to a foreigner? So in this one, do not say yes. I have. No, I haven't. No, it's not enough to give the answer. So in the interview session, so uh you can you can see it. So the interviewer asks the questions for the interviewee. So they give a lot of answer. So they extend the answer and give information. So like this, you have to give it. So okay, so this time, Lily, please ask me the questions. Only one question is enough. Mm-hmm. Okay. Have you ever spoken to a foreigner? Okay. Well, so I have. So I also attending English classes at British Council. So when I attend English classes at there, so I met with the foreigner teachers. So I got a chance to practice with them. So I can I also hear their accents too. So I can copy their accents and sometimes um I repeat after their voice too. So I like to communicate with them. I've always spoken to a foreigner. So now your turn. So you have to also write the cautions. You have to also make the cautions. You have to note down. So three cautions you have to prepare it. So I give a time to practice in the breakout room. In the breakout room, so one of the students you have to take the interviewer role and you have to ask your three questions to your friend. And so the next students, you have to take the interviewee role and you have to give the answer. So when you give the answer, you have to extend your answer to extend your informations. Okay, after that, you have to change your rules and so you have to change your rule and keep going for this test. Okay, do you have any questions? So in the breakout room, what do you have to do? Do you have to ask the questions each other? Mm-hmm. So when one of the students, do you have to take the interviewer role? Mm-hmm. So one of the student, do you have to take the interviewee role? Yes, you have to take the interviewee role. So when you join the breakout room, so you have to discuss who will take the interviewer first, who will be take the interviewee first. So after this, you can practice. Okay. Okay, so everyone. Mm-hmm. Okay, so everyone, thank you for joining my class. So I want to revise to you. I want to reviews the tanks before we end our class. So what is the form of present perfect tense? Subject plus, have, has plus, past participle. Great. Okay, what is the negative form of present perfect tense? Subject plus, have, has plus, not plus, present, past participle. Great. Okay, so uh, for the present perfect for the present perfect tense, the action started in the past or the action started in the present? Yes, started in the past. Is they connected in the present or not? Yes, they connected. Okay, great. So at the situation, so you have to use present perfect tense. So here you can see it. Okay, so gone and been. So this time I want to review gone and been. So one of the person went the place. So which one do you have to use? One of the person went to somewhere and stay there. Which one do you have to use? Gone. A person went another place and come back to the original place. Been. Excellent. So for the present perfect tense, do you need to mention the specific time? No. Great. Okay, everyone, thank you for attending my class. Bye bye for today. See you next week. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye for today, everyone. Bye bye.